Hello retro community and welcome to my channel, and look what I got here, fresh build from the labs. It's the prototyping board for the KIM expansion, for the PAL-1 expansion port you see over here. It's on top of the right board, and what I got here is an KIM1541 adapter, which connects one of my floppy drives, the 1541 floppy drives from my C64, direct to my KIM. Actually, I found this on a YouTube video by Commodore Historic Society. Dave McMurtrie did this, and he programmed everything behind it, and he did a great job. I suggest to you, just follow his blog and follow his YouTube channel. A great channel, a lot of KIM1 activity lately, so just follow him. I watched his video and did this schematic, which made it easier for me to rebuild it. So this afternoon, well, I threw my hat in the ring and built this little piece of hardware. It's just the plug for the 1541 and the prototyping board. So now let's take a look what this can do. So now my little 1541 is hooked up to my prototyping board. You see this little thing here? It's the reset line. So as soon as I press reset, the 1541 does a reset too. Wow! So now I can show you the memory of the KIM1 from address 200 onwards is completely empty. I did not burn the program Dave wrote on a EPROM yet, because I need it in another location than 2000, which is my RAM expansion. My EPROM starts at A000, so I already transformed it. Yeah, you can see it here, look, to A000, but I did not burn it yet. So that's the next part. Back to my KIM. Loading is right now from address 2000 programmed. You see D8, and then if I now press go, shift go. Now here we go. It loads very fast, and we go back to address 200. Reset first. I did not set the interrupt vectors. I'm too lazy. And you see the program is loaded, and we can play a little game called Simon Says. Here, 2. Oops. 2, 2, 3. 2, 3, 3. And so on. So saving and loading works quite well. I cannot show the content of the disk yet, because it's only 01, 02, so I have to write down what I actually saved on tape. But we can take a look on my C64 what I saved till now. So now we're back on my C64. And we can view the content of the disk, which is 01 and 02. The program we loaded was 02, and 01 was another program I saved for testing reasons. So this is all working quite well. Perfect. Thank you, Dave. Thank you so much. This was really cool. And see you next time. Bye bye.